Now let us do first problem of exercise 6.4. What is given in this problem? What is given in this problem? Area of triangle ABC and triangle DEF are these are two similar triangles. Triangle ABC similar to triangle DEF. Let us draw ABC. Let us see this ABC. ABC, and this triangle is similar to triangle DEF. Another thing is given, area of these two triangles are given. Area of triangle ABC, that is equal to 64 square centimeter given, and area of this triangle DEF, area of triangle DEF, that is equal to 121 square centimeter given. Another thing is given, EF is given 15.4 centimeter, 15.4 centimeter, and we want to find this BC. How much centimeter this? You know that these two triangles are similar. What is given? Triangle ABC and triangle DEF are similar. This ABC and triangle DEF these are similar. So these two triangles are similar. What say? Triangle ABC similar to triangle DEF. You know that ratio of area of two triangle equal to ratio of square of their corresponding sides. This implies area of triangle ABC by area of triangle DEF equal to ratio of square of their corresponding sides. Corresponding side of AB is DE, means it is equal to AB square by DE square. That is equal to BC square by EF square, and that is equal to AC square by DF square. Now what is given? EF is given. What is required? BC is required, and these two areas given. So we don't want this to be, these two terms has got no role. So what we do? We put area of triangle ABC by area of triangle DEF equal to BC square by EF square, and put respective value. What is given? Area of triangle ABC, that is equal to 64 square centimeter. Area of triangle DEF equal to 121 square centimeter, and that is equal to BC square not given, and EF is given. EF is 15.4 square centimeter here. But you know that 64, that is equal to 8 square, and this 121, that is equal to 11 square. So 8 square by 11 square equal to BC square by 15.4 squares. If we take square root of both sides, if take square root of both sides of this equation, say 1, square root of equation 1, then what happens? This BC by 15.4, BC square root BC, 15.4 square root 15.4, that is equal to 8 by 11. And this implies, if you do cross multiplication, what we want? Only BC. So this 15.4 get cross, then 8 by 11 into 15.4. This 15.4 and this get 1.4, and if 1.4 and 8 multiplied, then it is given 11.2 centimeter. So this is side BC. BC is equal to 11.2 centimeter. What property we have used? Ratio of area of two similar triangle equal to ratio of square of their corresponding sides. What is given? Given this area, two triangles area given, these two triangles are similar given. If two triangles are similar, then only this condition. These two triangles similar, then ratio of square of their corresponding sides and their area means the ratio of area of two similar triangle equal to ratio of square of their corresponding sides. Now second problem of this exercise is 1.4. What is given? This is ABCD trapezium given. What's a quadrilateral ABCD is trapezium. Trapezium means one pair of opposite side parallel. Which side parallel? This AB parallel to CD. AB parallel to CD. This is what's a given. Another thing is given. These intersect each other at O. This intersect each other at O. And another thing is AB is twice of CD given. AB is twice of CD is given. And what we have to find? We have to find a ratio of area of triangle, ratio of area of triangle AOB divided by area of triangle COD. This ratio we have to find. Ratio of area of these two triangles, this AOB and COD, that is to be found. Ratio of area of these two has to be found. Now you know that ratio of area of two similar triangle equal to ratio of square of their corresponding sides. But first of all, these two triangles must be similar. So I am here first of all proving that these two triangles are similar. Which two triangles are similar? AOB similar to COD. Now you know that in triangle AOB and COD, in triangle AOB and COD, in triangle AOB and COD, AOB and COD में, in triangle AOB and COD, first of all, this angle and this angle, these are two vertically opposite angle. Which angle? This angle and this angle. Which angle? Angle AOB, that is equal to angle COD first, and that is vertically opposite angles. Now we require one more condition. Another condition, these are two parallel lines. Which two parallel lines? Because this is trapezium, these are two parallel lines. If these are two parallel lines, then these are the alternate angles. What I say, AB parallel to CD, it implies angle OAB. It implies angle OAB, not AOB. Angle OAB of triangle AOB, that is equal to triangle OCD. Angle OCD. This is number 2, and result alternate interior angle. These are two alternate interior angles, because this is condition like this. These are two parallel lines and these are the alternate interior angles. These are alternate. Now with these two conditions, by AA similarity condition, from equation 1 and 2, from equations 1 and 2, by A similarity conditions, what we say, these two triangle, which two triangle? Triangle AOB similar to triangle COD. And if these two triangles are similar, you know that ratio of area of two similar triangle equal to ratio of square of their corresponding sides. Means area of triangle AOB by area of triangle COD, that is equal to, now this AB corresponds to CD, that is equal to AB square by CD square. AB square by CD square. OA corresponds to OC, but that is not required, because what is given, AB and CD relation is given. What is AB and CD relation given? AB is twice of CD, so we put this is AB, this is CD, but AB is given twice of CD, means 2 CD square by CD square. Now 2 CD whole square, that is equal to 2 into 2 square, that is 4, and CD square, that is equal to CD square, and this get cancelled. It means that ratio of area of these two triangles, that is equal to 4. Ratio of area of these two triangle equal to 4, that is equal to 4 by 1. So this ratio is equal to 4:1. Now what is given in this problem? In this problem, ABC and DBC are the two triangles with same base on same base BC. So this ABC and this DBC, these are the two triangles. This triangle has base BC and this triangle also has base BC. These two intersect each other, these two diagonal intersect each other at O. Now what we have to find, what we have to show, that area of triangle ABC and area of triangle DBC, that is equal to OA by OD. OA by OD. That is we want to find, that is we want to prove. ABC is this triangle and this DBC is this triangle. For proving this, what we do, we construct altitudes here from A to BC, that is AE altitude, and another altitude, this is what say DF. DF is another altitude. So we construct these two altitudes. One altitude from A to E, another from D to this BC, that is DF. This is the another altitude. Now you know that area of two triangle, area of these two triangles, that is area of triangle ABC and area of triangle DBC, area of triangle ABC and area of triangle DBC. What I say, first of all we have constructed one altitude AE here and another altitude DF here. Now area of this triangle ABC, that is equal to half base into altitude. Area of triangle ABC, that is equal to half, base is BC and altitude is AE. Area of triangle this DBC is half, again base BC and altitude is DF. So this AE and DF, these are the two altitudes. Half get cancelled, BC get cancelled. So area of triangle ABC by area of triangle DBC, that is equal to area of triangle ABC by area of triangle DBC, that is equal to AE by DF. This is equation number 1. Now what happened? Ratio of area of these two triangles is ratio of these two sides, that is AE by DF. Now what we do, we take these two triangles. Which two triangles? This AEO and TOF. We consider these two triangles and we try to prove that these two triangles are similar. These two triangles, triangle AEO and triangle which triangle? Area this triangle AEO and triangle DOF. So in these two triangles, which triangle? In triangle AEO and triangle DFO. First of all, this angle and this angle is 90 degree. Which angle? Angle AEO equal to angle DFO, that is equal to 90 degree, because this AE and DF given altitudes. This AE, DF, these are the AE and DF, these are the altitudes. Now another thing, these are the vertically opposite angles. So angle AOE, that is equal to angle DOF. This is what say, this is equation number 1, this is 2, and this is what say 3. Reason vertically opposite angles. Now with this we can prove that we can show that these two triangles are similar. Implies triangle AEO similar to triangle DFO, and if the two triangles are similar, then ratio of their corresponding sides are equal. It implies AE and corresponding side of this triangle is AE by this DF, AE by DF, that is equal to OE by OD. OA by OD. OA AE by DF, that is equal to OA by OD. That is OA by OD. Let us say this is equation number 3. Reason, if two triangles are similar, then ratio of their corresponding sides are equal. Again, let us see. First of all, we have taken these two triangles area of these two triangles ABC and BDC having same base. Then BC get cancelled, half of get cancelled, that is AE by DF. Next, what we have taken? We have taken these two triangles, and these two triangles are similar by which condition? By AA similarity condition. By AA similarity condition. AA similarity, which how this AA similarity condition? Because this angle and this angle equal, vertically opposite angle, and these both are 90 degree, because AE and DF, these are the altitudes. So what happened? We have got second condition, that AE by DF equal to OA by OD. But you know that AE by DF here in equation number 1. So it implies from equation 1 and equation 3, what we conclude? Area of triangle ABC by area of triangle DBC, that is equal to AE by DF, that is already given, and that is equal to OA by OD, and that is we have to prove. Area of triangle, these two triangle equal to OA by OD or AO by DO, that is AO by OD. Now in this problem, what is given? In this problem, this is what says square, and what we have to prove, that area of this triangle, that is on the side of square, that is half of this area of equilateral triangle. This is one of the equilateral triangle on the side of square, and this is equilateral another triangle, equilateral triangle described on the diagonal. So area of this triangle is half of area of this triangle BDF. Area of triangle ABE is half of area of triangle BDF. So what is given? First of all, quadrilateral ABCD is square given. You know that if square is there, then all sides are equal, and this all angles are 90 degrees. So let us say this side say A, this side say A, this side say A, this side say A. Now you know the area of equilateral triangle. Area of equilateral triangle having side this AB, that is A. This side is also A and this side is also A. So area of equilateral triangle. Area of equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle ABE, that is equal to root 3 by 4 into side square. Root 3 by 4 side square means root 3 by 4. Side is A, that is equal to A square. This is equation number 1. Area of this equilateral triangle ABE, that is equal to root 3 by 4 into A square. That is the area of triangle ABC. ABE, area of triangle ABE. Now to find the area of triangle DBF, BDF, first of all we have to find this diagonal BD. Diagonal BD equal to diagonal DF, that is equal to diagonal FB. So this diagonal can be found by using Pythagoras theorem. This is the condition like this. This condition like this. This is what say. This side is A, this side is A, and we have to find this BD, and this is what say F. This is not F, that is BD, and this is say C. Here C 90 degree. Now we want to find this BD that is diagonal. Here side BC side is A, this DC side is A, and diagonal BD. So you know that using this triangle BCD is right angled triangle with angle BCD equal to 90 degree. So we can apply Pythagoras theorem. That is what say BD square, that is equal to BC square plus CD square. BD square we want to find. BC square, BC is A given, means A square, and this is also A square, means it is 2A square. So BD square equal to 2A square means BD equal to square root of this 2A square. So square root of 2 and root of A square, that is equal to A. That is say second equation. First equation, area of this equilateral triangle ABE, that is equal to root 3 by 4 A square. Now area of this equilateral triangle having one of the side is BD, that is equal to root 2A. This is equilateral triangle, means this side is root 2A, this side is root 2A, and this side is root 2A. So area of triangle BDF, that is equal to root 3 by 4 and root 3 by 4 BD square side square, that is equal to root 3 by 4. BD square means root 2A whole square. Root 2A whole square, it implies area of this triangle equal to root 3 by 4 into 2A square. So this area of triangle BDF, that is equal to, if it take 2 on side, and it is root 3 by 4A square, root 3 by 4A square. But you know that root 3 by 4A square equal to area of triangle ADE, that is equal to 2 times area of triangle ABE. So what I say, area of triangle BDF equal to 2 times area of triangle ABE. Okay, area of triangle. It means that this if it is 2 twice of this BDF, it implies area of triangle ABE to get divided, then half of area of triangle BDF. So area of triangle BDF equal to twice of area of triangle ABE, or area of triangle ABE is equal to half of area of triangle BDF.